In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disconnect your PlayStation 4 controller from your phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase proper instructions on how to successfully disconnect a PlayStation 4 controller from any mobile device that you have. I'm gonna be demonstrating this with an Android device, however, the process is exactly the same for iOS. So, assuming that you have previously connected a DualShock 4 to your mobile device, all that you have to do to successfully disconnect it is to access the settings. Inside of the settings, go over to Bluetooth. Now, if Bluetooth is off, then you will have to turn it on to properly disconnect the controller. Once Bluetooth is enabled, if you have previously paired up the controller, you will be able to find it under the list of devices. So as you can see, I have this desktop computer, I have the set of AirDots from Redmi, and then finally a wireless controller. Now, your DualShock 4 might appear on this list with the name wireless controller or DualShock 4, whatever the name is, you just have to find it. Once you find the controller, just tap on it here, and usually, whenever you go over to these settings, you will be able to select Unpair. So there is either going to be an information button at the right side of the controller, or you will be able to tap on something like this, an arrow or three dots. Just access the controller settings, tap Unpair, and now the controller will be gone. With this done, whenever you power on the DualShock 4 and you are in close proximity of your mobile device, it won't automatically connect itself with your phone. And of course, if you want to use it in the future over Bluetooth, you just have to enable it and pair up the DualShock 4 controller once again by pressing and holding the PlayStation button and the share button. Something else that you can do is just simply turn off Bluetooth. By doing this, it also isn't going to be used, so choose whichever option you prefer to properly disconnect the PlayStation 4 controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to disconnect your PlayStation 4 controller from your phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.